Imagine a world where each day blooms with fresh ideas, where inspiration flows like a river, and creativity knows no bounds. This is the world of daily content creation, a realm where every sunrise brings a new opportunity to inspire, educate, and entertain. Dawn breaks, a blank canvas awaits, and the creative process begins. Ideas, like seeds, are planted in the fertile soil of the mind. They germinate, sprout, and grow, nurtured by a combination of research, brainstorming, and a dash of serendipity. It's a dance as old as time, yet as fresh as the morning dew. Now consider the idea of daily content creation. It's like a marathon, a test of endurance and commitment. It requires a steady pace and a clear vision. But it's not just about crossing the finish line. It's about the journey, the twists and turns, the highs and lows, the moments of triumph, and the lessons learned from setbacks. Yet it's not just a solitary journey. Daily content creation is a conversation, a dialogue between the creator and the world. It's about sharing perspectives, sparking discussions, and building connections. It's about adding value, making a difference, and leaving a lasting impact. Daily content creation is also a journey of self-discovery. It's a mirror that reflects the creator's passions, interests, and values. It's a canvas where they can paint their thoughts, dreams, and visions. It's a stage where they can showcase their talents, skills, and expertise. But above all, daily content creation is a labor of love. It's a testament to the power of creativity, the beauty of imagination, and the magic of storytelling. It's about creating something out of nothing, bringing ideas to life, and sharing them with the world. In summary, the world of daily content creation is a vibrant tapestry woven from threads of inspiration, creativity, and passion. It's a journey, a conversation, a mirror, and a canvas. It's a testament to the human spirit's infinite capacity to create, share, and inspire. So, as the sun sets and the day draws to a close, remember this: every sunrise brings a new opportunity. Embrace it, seize it, and make the most of it. Because in the world of daily content creation, every day is a new adventure waiting to unfold.